How to get more likes on Badoo. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you something very fantastic. I'll be teaching you how you can get more likes on Badoo. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Badoo app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here. And so once you've ensured that it's been launched on your phone, the first page you're going to see is the chat page. And the chat page, at the top left corner of your screen, you see the chats, you see the word chat. So on this page, whatever chats you have with anybody or whatever chat you've had with people on the Badoo app will be displayed right on the screen. So at the top right corner of the screen also, you see the timer icon. And once you click on the timer icon, you can see your activity, how to create your activity, how to increase your activity on the app. For me, my activity is very low because I've not really engaged on the app. You see several options of how to tell everybody you're online. If you want to tell everybody you're online or you're ready to chat, the options are there. You see several things here also. You see, you can just explore the activity icon. So back to the home page, at the lower part of the screen, you see the chat icon, you see the location icon, you see the likes icon, you see the counter icon and the profile icon. So back to the question, before that, Badoo app is basically about online dating. If you want to date online, you can use Badoo app. It's very good, and you have a stress-free relationship online. So back to the question, how to get more likes on Badoo. First, you have to engage more on Badoo. You see that when I checked my activity status, it says my activity is very low, so I cannot get a like. I can't get likes on Badoo. So you have to step up on your activity. You make sure that your activity is not low. You make sure that you are impactful. You engage seriously on Badoo app, and make sure you turn on all the notification like your visibility notification and so on, and you make sure you post your pictures from time to time. You add pictures or you add a profile picture to the Badoo app. So if you want to check likes, at the lower part of the screen we have where we have those icons. You click on the third icon which says likes. Once you click on it, you wait for the page to load, and here it says I have to add a profile picture. Like I said the other time, that if you want to get more likes on Badoo, you have to add pictures, add your profile picture, at least for people to see who they are going to chat with or who they want to embark on an online relationship with. Do you understand? So you have to be very active on the app to get more likes on Badoo. It's very simple, okay? Just make sure that you're active. So this is simply how to get more likes on Badoo. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.